How to make money online with Google Docs. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income from home. Now, one of the main ways that I always talk about on this channel, and one that I actually got started with online, is through making money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is simply us selling other people's products and earning money from it, right? So the vendor or the seller, they will already have the product in place. They'll have customer service in place. Everything is already in place. What they need us as affiliates to do for them is to send more traffic, more eyeballs to their products and services. And if somebody decides to go ahead and make a purchase, we can earn a commission if they purchase through our affiliate links. So in this training, I'm going to share with you really quickly one of the ways that I actually leverage by giving away value, giving away free value, and how in turn that helps me to earn commissions. Now, this works great for social media. If you're really active on social media, maybe Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or whatever else, this strategy will work wonders for you. And again, it's a great way to lead with value. You're actually helping people in the process, and then also in turn you can also earn some commissions with this strategy. So if you're brand new to this channel, make sure you go underneath this video, comment below, let me know where you're watching from. Also hit that subscribe and that like button so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And then also make sure you stay into the end so you can understand how this strategy really works and how it can work at its best for you, so that way you can start generating results. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me show you how to make money with Google Documents. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do before you dive into Google Documents is that you need to find problems inside of your niche. So whatever niche that you're in, if you're in the beauty and health niche, if you're in the health and fitness niche, maybe you're in gaming or something like that. For me, I'm in the make money online, make money from home, affiliate marketing niche, okay? So what you want to do is you want to take some time, go onto Google, just like how we're looking at right now, and you want to find common problems inside of your niche. Again, we want to lead with value. We want to help people first. So that's what you want to do with this strategy. So you need to find out what they are struggling with before you create anything. Do not just create something based on what you think people are struggling with. That is the wrong misconception, and you will fail tremendously if you do that. The information is out there. People are actually telling you. So you can come over here to Google, do a quick search, or you can even go to your Facebook. If you already have a following or something like that on Facebook, any type of social media, ask your audience, hey guys, what are you struggling with currently in your business? And you're going to start to see some common answers. When you start to see those common answers, that's going to be your problem. And then what you want to do is you want to create a document that's going to provide solutions to that problem. So right now we're looking at Google, and you see in the actual search bar, I have put top problems for affiliate marketers. Right? Something really that simple. So now we're seeing right here, choosing the right niche, let's see, the right kind of traffic, okay? And then you scroll down, you even have answers from Quora, right? You have people like, what are the common problems of affiliate marketers? So you can open up this tab right here, and you're going to start to see some responses, because people are actually responding to this question, letting the person who asked the question know what they're actually struggling with, or some of the things that they may have gone through their research, and they're actually sharing their information on Quora. So for me, I know with affiliate marketers, a lot of people, they already have a company that they're promoting, even network marketing, right? They already have a company that they're promoting. They already have a product or service that they're promoting. They are happy promoting those products. They don't want to join another network marketing company. They don't want to join another affiliate business or something like that. They want to have success with the current business that they are having. So what are they having problems with? Typically traffic. Trying to get a lot of people to their affiliate links. When people first get started with affiliate marketing and they don't have any experience, they barely may get a few clicks every single week. You need to be generating hundreds, thousands of people going to your affiliate link in order for you to really see the benefit of affiliate marketing. So again, it's going to be like traffic, right? So a lot of people may also say like they're not getting sales. Well, not getting sales is a byproduct of not getting enough leads, and leads is a byproduct of not having a lot of traffic, right? So traffic is a big thing when it comes to affiliate marketers, and they're typically trying to figure out ways how to generate traffic to get more people to their website or their affiliate link. So since that is my problem, what I did was I took 30 minutes, I went to Google Docs, and if you have a Gmail account, you can come over here to Google Docs and you can just create a document where you're just going to fill it out with content and things that's going to help your potential buyer, your niche, solving their problem, right? So again, if you have gmail.com or something like that, you know, they have Google Docs, they have Google Sheets, Google Forms. All these are free tools that you can use. So it doesn't cost you any money to use Google Docs. So what you want to do is you just want to use the personal account. You don't need to use business right now, especially if you're just starting off. You can start with the personal account. So once you have done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to create a Google Doc. So as you guys can see here, since my particular niche has problems getting traffic, what I'm going to do is I created a document. This only took me 30 minutes to create this document. I didn't use any special templates or nothing like that. I just put the content out there. So I just put a small introduction right here, just letting people know what they're going to get in this particular document. And then also I have a link here for people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on this channel I share a lot of information on for people who are trying to earn more money with affiliate marketing, how to get started with affiliate marketing, and so on. So what I did was I just took a few of my top traffic sources that I use in order to get people to my affiliate links, and I just included that information here. And I didn't have to include everything that I'm doing. I just took 6 of the things that I'm doing every single day to generate traffic, and I put them all in this document. So what I did was I led with value first. I explained the strategy to them. I explained what it is, how I use it, or whatever the case may be. And then I included a link to an affiliate offer where they can actually learn more about it. So the first strategy that I talk about is Facebook marketing. Yeah. So in Facebook marketing, I just let them know a little bit of what I do in order to generate sales. And then I included a YouTube video in this particular example where I showed people how I earned $200 for free off of one Facebook post for free. And if they wanted to do the same strategy, if they wanted to learn the same strategy on how I was able to do that, they can actually purchase a product on Warrior Plus. And if you don't know what Warrior Plus is one of those affiliate networks that you can join for free, and you can actually find affiliate products on there that you can actually promote. So that's what I did in that example. If we go to the next example, is free YouTube marketing. So I show people what I'm doing on YouTube in order to generate a lot of leads for the various things that I'm actually promoting online. And then if they want to know more about YouTube marketing, they can just click on this hyperlink right here. It's going to take them to another Warrior Plus product that teaches people how to have success and make money using YouTube for their business, right? So this is all I did, guys, and it only took me 30 minutes to create this document. And the reason why you want to use this strategy as well, because what most people do, especially with social media, because I use, in addition to using Facebook, in addition to using YouTube, I use a lot of Facebook. And on Facebook, people feel like they just have to just spam their links all over the place. How about you go against the grain and actually lead with help first? Instead of trying to find people to join your business and it's all about you and what you want, how about you help others first? So so you can make a post. You already know people have a business. We already discussed this, right? People already have something that they're promoting. They want to have success with what they're promoting. They don't want to join something else. So you can create a post on Facebook. Who wants this free thing? Who wants this free training on how you can get more traffic to your affiliate link? Who wants this training? More people will respond to that because people love free stuff, 1. 2, it'll actually help them out in their business. If you make a post saying like, who wants to join my business? It's $100 to join and blah, blah, blah. More people, they probably won't join it because they don't want to join another business. They want to have success with what they're currently doing. So lead with help first. Create a Google document, and then you want to create some content just a few pages long, providing solutions, and then you can embed links in the actual document to affiliate products that you're promoting. So I did all of that. I provided some solution. I will be adding more to this particular document in the future. And then right here, I have included wants to learn how I'm earning sales with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. All of these are affiliate networks that you can sign up for free and promote affiliate products from. If they click on that hyperlink that says click here, right here at the bottom where in the red letters, it actually goes to my primary affiliate marketing business that I am promoting. So I led with value first. I included links in between if they want to get access to those particular trainings that's going to help them to learn how to generate more sales and more leads and things like that. But then I also just included a link like, hey, if you want to know how I'm leveraging this information to get sales in my business, just go ahead and click on this link here to learn more information. But I led with value first. So even if they don't, join my primary business, they're still getting free information that's going to help them inside of their business, so that way they can succeed in their business. That's what I'm talking about when we're leading with value first, right? So this is what you can do. Now, to take it a step further, what you can do is you can build up an email list doing this, right? So what some people will do is they'll send people directly to this Google document, which is fine. But then you can also create an opt-in page, an email opt-in page that people have to go through first to submit their email address first in order to get this information. Now, once you have done that, you're actually building up an email list, which is something that you need to be doing anyway, really, especially if you're going to be doing any type of business where you're working from home. And you can continue to build that, to email that list every single day, every other day, or whatever else, providing more value and promoting other products on the back end. When you are doing that, you're actually furthering and deepening the relationship with your leads by sending them emails, providing value, and then when you are, decide to sell something through emails, you have a better chance at higher conversions doing that because you have built a relationship with the people who are on your email list. So for this strategy, I made this quick little opt-in page right here. So my top 6 traffic sources that I'm currently using right now. So this is how I'm building up my email list. And then again, all I do on the back end with email marketing is that I send them emails every day, every few days or something like that, providing value, sharing new updated YouTube videos that I have just added. And then occasionally I send out some emails selling something, and that's how I'm able to generate sales without even having to post about a particular product on my social media or anything like that. I can just send out an email, a few emails, send them out to my email list, and I can generate sales simply by just sending out emails and not having to post for the entire day, right? So that's also another option that you can do to kind of step it up in order to help you to make more sales on the back end. That's what I want to really share with you. And again, this is the website right here, warriorplus.com. This is where I come. This is where I find a lot of make money online type of products. They also low cost products as well. And this is where I find all those products, and then I just apply for those links and apply to get an affiliate link. And once I receive my affiliate link, that's when I start promoting. Now, if you are familiar with this or you want to learn how I'm actually earning anywhere from $200 to $500 per week simply by promoting products off of this website, in the description below this video, I included a link where I share with you how I'm earning $200 to $500 per week selling affiliate products. So you can go underneath this video right here and you can actually find out more information about that particular product. If you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I quickly share with you how you can make money online using Google Documents. This is something, again, where you are actually helping people first. You're leading with value first. You're not being spammy. You're not being salesy or anything like that. And you're actually helping people in the process while also promoting affiliate products and affiliate offers for whatever business that you are promoting inside of any niche. So hope you found this video helpful. If you got a lot of value from this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, let me know where you're watching from. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. And I will see you guys on the next video.